Okay, so last uh, we discussed the case with the necrotic pulp and with the open apex cases और उसके ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस पे हमने डिस्कस किया था. इससे पहले हमने ओपन अपेक्स केस विथ वाइटल पल्प डिस्कस किया था कि व्हेन पल्प इज वाइटल बट इट इज in danger due to the exposure or due to sometimes carious even lesion involving, but the mostly carious lesions when involve the pulp, they usually uh, cause the irreversible pulpitis. So if the irreversible pulpitis, then the pulp vitality, to maintain the vitality of pulp could be more challenging. But when pulp is already dead and necrose pulp is there and still root apex is not closed, then what are the options to save the tooth? So हमने डिस्कस किया like this case, उसमें open apex है. When you check the vitality, you will not get any response on your electrical pulp tester or on your other thermal जो methods हैं to check the sensibility or what we call vitality of the pulp. So here you can see the open apex with some radiolucency around the root structure, that is the periapical crown, or it could be symptomatic or asymptomatic. So in this case, we discussed that we can go for traditional or conventional apexification procedure with calcium hydroxide. You calcium hydroxide, you have to uh, clean the canal first because canal is filled with necrotic tissues, and the bacteria, all that should be clean. Canal should be made sterile and disinfected, and then you can go for apexification procedure. The apexification procedure, because in this case or in that situation, when apex is open, we cannot seal the canal. Canal cannot be sealed, and if the canal is not sealed, the root canal treatment will not be successful. So it should be some, we need some barrier at the root end to seal the canal. So that we need a barrier. So when you use the calcium hydroxide for long term, for at least 6 months, 1 year, it induce the hard tissue formation at the root end because of its antibacterial properties and because of some osteoinduction or conduction properties. So it gives a conducing environment for the growth of the heart cells of the heart tissues like bone or cementum or the dentine like. So we discussed that what we call it calcific uh, barrier formation. That calcific barrier or calcified barrier is more like cementum like or could be dentine like, depend upon which cells are more dominant, odontoblast or the cementoblast cells, or some bone could be mixed with that. So this is all hard tissue formation. When hard tissue is formed, then we can seal the canal. So this is the conventional method of uh, apexification with calcium hydroxide. So these are the ways you have to, you can see here after in D, apical calcific bar formation, rest of the canal is sealed with gutta percha and all. Mostly we use the thermoplasticized technique to seal the canal. For performing the sustain. तो डिस्कस किया हमने ये एक्सेस कैविटी बनाएंगे आप, कैनाल डिब्राइडमेंट, रूट लेंथ मेजरमेंट करेंगे, कैनाल मेडिकेमेंट्स, एंड मोस्टली अगेन इट्स कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड intermediate restoration देंगे. There should be no coronal leakage during this apexification procedure, because leakage will lead to the failure again, and वो calcific barrier formation नहीं होगी. The bacteria will again re-enter into the canal. So then, if when you how we check the apical barrier is formed or not, वो भी हमने मेथड, एक तो रेडियोग्राफिक मेथड है, मगर एज in previous lecture I told you that on appearance on radiograph it takes time before that hard tissue could be formed. So we can clinically check it by cleaning the calcium hydroxide from the canal, and with paper point you can check if the barrier is formed or not. So here you have to clean the canal, fill the canal with calcium hydroxide, and for long term, then a calcific barrier is formed, and that is the apexification. Here you can see that if the paper point have a tip is stained with blood, then it indicates that the calcific barrier is still not formed. So you can repeat the calcium hydroxide dressing for at least 6 months or 3 to 6 months more. But if the tip is not stained with blood, or it is tip is distorted, or during uh, when you place this pepper point, and you can feel some hard hardness at the end, so you can assume that a barrier could be formed. So if it is a calcific barrier is formed, then you can seal the canal. Here you can see that a calcific barrier is clearly seen on that radiograph, and now it is easy to seal this canal, because the barrier is there, and the जो हम यूज करेंगे कटा पर्चा will not cross beyond the root apex, and you can seal the canal properly. And here you can see, and मैंने यहाँ कहा कि lateral condensation is difficult to seal the canal. So thermoplasticize technique with the Apchura you can use, or you can use the system B, or what we call the warm vertical condensation. So warm vertical condensation with thermoplasticized gutta percha is better technique of obturation of these wide canals, which is difficult to seal with conventional cold lateral condensation. So this is how the canal is sealed. Barrier is formed, different. So we discussed that what are the some drawbacks of this technique, and drawbacks of the technique we discussed that it takes a long time. You have to wait, patient has to follow up hota hai, recall the patient after 6 months every, and you can see, so it's long and unpredictable outcome. So it could be failed. So that may somehow some can cause the embarrassment to you and your patient. Okay, treatment at the end of day failed. So that is the problem. The tooth can be fractured during that time, or periapical pathology can develop, or it can increase in size. All that is indicate that the is fail apexification procedure. So avoiding this mostly the time period. With the second option we discussed that it is a barrier. Actually we need a barrier formation. So barrier can be formed with the MTA. So MTA, you know, that is mineral trioxide aggregate, and it is hard enough. So if you make a plug at the apex end, so you can seal the canal at the very next day. So that is very simple procedure. And MTA is as good as the calcium hydroxide in term of biocompatibility, but it has other good properties than the calcium hydroxide. Is very harder enough, insoluble, giving good sealing जो उसकी properties हैं. So this makes more better MTA than your calcium hydroxide. So that is why the MTA can be used as a plug, as a artificial, what we call the artificial barrier with MTA. You can make this. So then you can seal the canal. This is the MTA apical. So MTA is coming with the powder and liquid. And liquid mostly is your sterile, your water or distilled water. You can use an even normal saline, but it is the water mostly. As cement, what's the Portland cement we are using? It's more close to Portland cement जो buildings वगैरह में यूज करते हैं. बट दिस इज अ बायोग्रेड एंड इसमें कुछ चीज़ें जो है लाइक आर्सेनिक एसिड वगैरह वो रिमूव किया है. दिस इज द व्हाट वी कॉल द MTA गन. ये देखें MTA गन इज थिन इनफ एंड लॉन्ग इनफ. It can be inserted into the canal. You have to measure it की लेंथ measure जैसे हम फाइल की लेंथ measure करते हैं. You can apply a rubber stopper here, and then you can this MTA gun is same as your amalgam gun, and that you can use in to place the MTA at the root end through the orthograde system. This is how a MTA plug is applied at the root end. आप ये देख सकते हैं ये plug इसमें this gun से is applied in the apical area, and this is hard enough because it takes time, mostly 3 4 5 hours for MTA to set properly. So it is better to go for obturation on next day. Okay, so let it to set properly, then you can obturate the canal. So here you can see MTA plug at the root end, and canal is filled with the kataparcha. Again a root apical third is filled. The rest of the canal you can fill with the MTA. ये यहाँ सैंपल देखेंगे आप. You can see a MTA as a root MTA as a root apex. It's filled with root up, and rest of the canal sealed with gutta percha. एक क्लिनिकल केस आप यहाँ देखेंगे. क्लिनिकल केस ये है. रूट अगेन ओपन अपेक्स है. Periapical lesions there. You have to debride sterile canal, disinfect the canal with your irrigation, your all that, and with your intracanal medicaments. Intracanal medicaments, you can use the calcium hydroxide for 7 days at least. After that, you have to clean the canal. And this is, you can see in third जो पिक्चर है हमारी, उसमें आप देखेंगे कि रूट अपेक्स पे MTA is placed. So this is the MTA. The root is now closed. And this is the hard enough. The rest of the canal again filled with your गटा पर्चा आप ये देख सकते हैं. यहाँ तीन चीजें यूज की गई हैं कैनाल में. जो एपिकल थर्ड कैनाल MTA है, जो मिडिल थर्ड है दैट इज फिल्ड विथ गटा पर्चा, और जो कोरोनल थर्ड है वो है योर रेस्टो जो कंपोजिट से. तो कंपोजिट मोस्टली कोरोनल थर्ड से हम यूज करते हैं इन केनाल एरिया, बिकॉज दिस टीथ आर इन रूट जो इसकी थिकनेस है वो थिन होती है. केनाल वॉल थिन होते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं दे आर थिन केनाल, तो टूटने के चांसेस होते हैं. इफ यूज कंपोजिट इन दी कोरोनल एरिया, बिकॉज फ्रैक्चर जब होता है तो मोस्टली कोरोनल एरिया पे होता है. जो रूट एंड क्राउन का जंक्शन होता है वहाँ फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, बिकॉज थिन डेंटिनल वॉल्स. तो यहाँ से फ्रैक्चर होगा तो देन इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट टू सेव द टूथ स्ट्रक्चर रिमेनिंग, फिर हमें एक्सट्रैक्शन रिप्लेसमेंट की तरफ जाना होता है. So if you use the composite at the coronal area, it will reinforce the tooth structure, and that is called composite reinforcement root reinforcement with the composite or root fortification, that you fortify the root strength or mostly in a coronal area using the composite in that area. So this is how. But why should not we fill the entire canal with MTA? पूरा कैनाल ही एमटीए से भर दें. हेलो.
yes sir.
हाँ.
सर एमटीए जो है वो एक एक्सपेंसिव मटेरियल है, तो हमें सिर्फ एपेक्स को ब्लॉक करके फिर उसके बाद कोई भी मटेरियल यूज करें.
हाँ, ये तो सही कह.
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
सर वॉइस नहीं.
बड़ा क्या कर गिरा जिसको.
नो सर.
रीड कर देता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं अच्छा